Uber. It is not sunny out at all. I think it's probably worse over here than Chicago. Wow. We're still gonna have a blast though, I don't care. You will not rain on my parade. Nope, not today. I made it! I am in the Airbnb, guys. This is crazy. This is like the most crazy experience that I've had in Florida so far. Let me give you a tour to my little casita for the next couple of days. It's super tiny. It's super small. It's super cute. Got a little coffee maker, some papitas, microwave of course, little sink, fridge. We will be stocking that up later. Some drink. A cute little table. Look at the bed. I need a picture like that in my house. I'm looking crazy. I literally just landed. Cute little chair. The bathroom is so tiny. Yeah, it's so cute. Like I said, I'm looking crazy. I have no makeup on. Cute little shower. It's perfect. It's just for a couple days. But yeah, I'm gonna give this lady like 20 stars. Oh my god, she's so nice, so sweet. I got lost and her mom came and picked me up from where I was at. I was stuck in the rain. Really, really bad experience. But we're gonna turn the night around. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get some food because I'm starving. And I'm gonna try and enjoy the rest of this little mini vacation. Stick with me, y'all. So I just got ready really quick, like really quick. I'm waiting for my Lyft. They're almost on their way. And I am gonna go try this TURO app. So I'm gonna go be picking up a car because I'm trying to like go all over the place. So it should just be cheaper if I rent a car. And I'm gonna try the TURO app. TURO. I don't know, it's my first time trying this app. So the guy seems very responsive and yeah, I'm gonna go pick it up right now. We'll see how it is when I get there. How's my makeup? I literally just did it in like 10 minutes. I look kind of bronzed, a little glowy. And put no eyeliner on. We'll do that later. Let's see if the Lyft is here. Bye. I just got the car, I got the keys, and it was super easy. The TURO app is super easy. But it's a nice car, it's clean, he cleaned it, everything was super simple, contacted me back right away. So definitely 5 stars for this car. I don't know about any other cars, but the TURO app is super easy. Just be careful when you are picking up your car. Come with somebody or send somebody your location because you never know, people are crazy. But right now I'm about to explore Tampa. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I am not gonna be recording. Or maybe I can. Maybe I'll use my helmet. I don't know. But that's a quick update. I'm having a good experience so far. And right now I'm gonna go to the beach, get some grub by the beach, and wait until my friend comes in. Let's do it.
I've been waiting for the world to see
Ben T. Davis Beach. I'm gonna go check out this little restaurant right here and get some food because I haven't eaten. I'm starving. What is it called? Whiskey Joe's on Ben T. Davis. Ben T. Davis. Such a beautiful day out today. I'm so glad it's nice out right now. Okay. I ordered a virgin pina colada and a tea. It's so nice out today. It's pretty good. Can't drink because I'm designated driving. The GoPro is not very good at like getting up in close, so I'm pretty close up in here right now. I got the mahi mahi rice with like a mango chutney type thing and sweet plantain. I'm about to try it out right now. Alright guys, I just finished eating. It was delicious. Whiskey Joe. I give it a 10 out of 10. Customer service was amazing, sweetheart, and the food was delicious. I was on the other side, but there is like a little beach bar area over there. I might walk to right now, but it is getting pretty nasty, so that sucks. I need to get my mic already because my GoPro mic is not the best. I'm pretty sure you guys can't hear me like that great. Investing in that. But yes, I'm probably gonna walk over there right now, check it out before it really starts downpouring. Whiskey Joe's. Check it out if you're ever in Tampa. Food was delicious. So the girlies came in yesterday. We're about to head to the beach, Clearwater, and get a tan on, really. See you later.
and I.
Coconut shrimp. Got the Caesar calamari salad. Onion rings. She got a salad. Okay, so what do you rate this place?
I think it's like an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
What do you rate it? An 8?
Well, no, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give them like a 9 because this was good, and then the coconut.
But it wasn't as good as that other place.
The coconut shrimp was pretty bomb. The salad was mediocre. Rate it like an 8. It was pretty good.